Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to lock triggers. RAZER Raiju V3 Pro has two triggers mode. Firstly, we can use triggers as mouse buttons. They've got short activation length and also click, press like mouse. Using these switches, we can unlock the triggers, and now we can use them as normal triggers. Those doesn't have mouse-like press, and also they have longer activation length. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.